Today, we're going to look at using the Inference card on the NumWorks board. The Inference card is how you can perform any significance test or compute any confidence interval. For example, let's perform a one-sample t-test for a mean. We'll select significance test, we'll choose a one mean, and for our test type, we'll do a t-test. The first step of this test is to indicate your hypothesis. Input your null hypothesis and use the drop-down menu to select your alternative hypothesis. Next, use the drop-down menu to indicate what information is provided. You can select Input Summary Statistics about your sample or Input the dataset. Let's assume we've been given summary statistics. Input your provided statistics and significance level. Below is your section of calculated values, including your test statistic t-value, the p-value, and your degrees of freedom. Visual representations for this test are not available yet, but will appear in the graphic window soon. For more tutorials, visit num.works/board tutorials.